how to delete Snapchat filters. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to delete Snapchat filters. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Snapchat. Now here, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if your application or Snapchat application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So all you have to do is to open the application here. Now, it will actually lead you directly to your camera section. Now, on the bottom part, you will see the smiley icon right beside the button for the camera. You click on that. Now here you will see the different lenses that the Snapchat application actually provides, or all the lenses that you have saved. So let's say you want to delete let's say you want to delete the Snapchat filter. All you have to do is to pick the filter that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. Here you will see the information icon about that filter just below the profile icon that you have on the upper left. You click on that. And here you can just easily remove the lens. Or if you don't have any remove lens for that, you can actually click on report. Then just click on I just don't like it. And then you may want to add some comment about it, and since it's optional you could actually just not write anything about it and then just submit it. Then basically it will be directly deleted once the Snapchat community will know about your report. So basically that is how you delete your Snapchat filters. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.